Keeping your floors spotless can be a daunting task, especially with the constant foot traffic, spills, and everyday dust and dirt. Enter the Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Pocket Steam Mop, a powerful and user-friendly steam mop designed to tackle all your floor cleaning needs with ease and efficiency. This detailed review will delve into the features, performance, and benefits of this advanced steam mop, showing you why it could be the ultimate solution for maintaining pristine floors in your home. The Shark Genius Steam Mop sports a sleek and modern design, with a striking burgundy and gray color scheme that adds a touch of sophistication to your cleaning arsenal. Its build quality is robust and durable, ensuring it can withstand regular use. The mop is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for cleaning large areas as well as tight spaces and corners. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended cleaning sessions. One of the standout features of the Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System is its 3-setting intelligent steam control. This feature allows you to customize the steam output based on your specific cleaning needs. Whether you need light steam for everyday dusting or a powerful burst to tackle stubborn stains, intelligent steam control provides the perfect amount of steam for every situation. The 3 settings low, medium, and high are easily adjustable, giving you complete control over your cleaning process. For those tough, stuck-on messes that seem impossible to remove, the Shark Genius Steam Mop offers Steam Blaster technology. This feature delivers a concentrated burst of steam directly onto the mess, loosening and lifting dirt and grime effortlessly. It's particularly effective on grout lines, crevices, and corners where dirt tends to accumulate. The Steam Blaster ensures that even the most stubborn stains are dealt with quickly and efficiently, leaving your floors spotless. The Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System comes equipped with double-sided dirt grip pads that are both highly absorbent and durable. These pads are designed to trap and hold dirt, ensuring that it doesn't just get pushed around but is removed from your floors. The pads are machine washable, making them a cost-effective and environmentally friendly option. Simply toss them in the washer after use, and they're ready to tackle your next cleaning job. Another innovative feature of the Shark Genius Steam Mop is its direct steam channeling system. This system evenly distributes steam throughout the cleaning pad, creating an ultra-wide cleaning zone. This ensures that every inch of the pad is utilized, providing maximum cleaning efficiency and coverage. Your floors will receive a consistent and thorough clean, with steam penetrating deeply to sanitize and refresh surfaces. Cleaning can be a messy task, but the Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System makes it hygienic and effortless with its touch-free technology. With the press of a button, you can attach or release the dirt grip pad without ever having to touch it. This feature is particularly useful after cleaning, as you can release the dirty pad straight into the hamper without getting your hands dirty. It's a simple yet effective solution that enhances the overall cleaning experience. The Shark Genius Steam Mop features a 220 ml water tank, which provides ample steam for extended cleaning sessions. The mop heats up quickly, allowing you to start cleaning in just a matter of seconds. This rapid heating time is perfect for those moments when you need to quickly clean up a spill or prepare your floors for guests. The convenience of having steam ready on demand cannot be overstated, making the Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System a time-saving addition to your cleaning routine. One of the major advantages of using a steam mop is the ability to clean and sanitize without the use of harsh chemicals. The Shark Genius Steam Mop uses only water to produce steam, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria from your floors. This makes it a safe option for homes with children, pets, or individuals with allergies. You can achieve a deep clean without worrying about chemical residues or odors, ensuring a healthier environment for your family. The combination of intelligent steam control, steam blaster technology, and direct steam channeling makes the Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System ideal for whole floor cleaning. Whether you have hardwood, tile, or laminate floors, this steam mop can handle them all with ease. The wide cleaning path and efficient steam distribution mean that you can cover large areas quickly, reducing the time and effort required to keep your floors looking their best. In practical use, the Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Genius Steam Mop excels at removing everyday dirt and grime, as well as tackling more challenging messes. Users have praised its ability to clean deeply and effectively, leaving floors looking rejuvenated and spotless. The Steam Mop's ease of use and versatile features make it a favorite among homeowners who want a reliable and powerful cleaning tool. Conclusion: the Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Pocket Steam Mop is an advanced and highly effective steam mop that delivers exceptional cleaning performance. Its intelligent steam control, steam blaster technology, and touch-free features make it a versatile and user-friendly tool for maintaining clean and sanitized floors. Whether you need to perform a quick cleanup or a thorough deep clean, the Shark Genius Steam Mop has you covered. Its robust design, ease of use, and chemical-free cleaning capabilities make it a valuable addition to any home. If you're looking for a steam mop that combines power, efficiency, and convenience, the Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System is an excellent choice. Transform your floor cleaning routine with this innovative and reliable steam mop, and enjoy the benefits of spotless, sanitized floors every day. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.